Hey friends, in honor of Mother's Day coming up, Mahasin and I thought we'd share some favorite recipes from our mothers. So a couple weeks ago, we cooked meatloaf together using her mom's recipe, using ground turkey and turkey sausage for that real Italian flavor. We really enjoyed cooking this together and it turned out really delicious for our first attempt. Look in the comments section below for the full recipe. If you try this, go ahead and leave a comment and let us know what you think. Also hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to get more great videos like this, and make sure to hit that notification bell as well so you're the first to know whenever we have a new video available.
All right, so yeah, we just figured out I would have watched Gordon Ramsay. I would have been able to figure out how to cut an onion without crying.
How to chop an onion.
This is the root. That's absolutely crucial. Leave that on there. If you cut that off, the onion will start to bleed and you'll start crying rapidly. Slice going forward. Let the weight of the knife do the work.
Oh, I guess I'm gonna try that. Half a cut.
You can make it less too, because I'm not too much a fan of onions.
All right, well there's a half a cup.
Okay, yeah.
All right, so we got our onions. So it says we're gonna put all this stuff in there. So, so onions are in there. All right, so it says the ground turkey. So we're gonna put the ground turkey. We have regular ground turkey, and then we've got Italian seasoned ground turkey. So we're gonna put both in there.
And then mix it up a little bit.
Yeah. Breadcrumbs. Well, I don't have breadcrumbs. They were out of breadcrumbs at the store. So we're using saltine crackers. Yes, let's pick off. Yeah, well,
Okay, good job. You're going to do the same with this when you put it in the bag?
Yes, I just kind of squish it up, right? Act like I'm feeding the ducks. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, so then we have the breadcrumbs. And then, let's see, the onion we got, so half a cup of milk. Half a milk. And there, and then bread, so we're just gonna just squish it up. Right. Let's see. Okay. And then
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of
Stir.
Worcestershire sauce. Okay. And then let's see, 1 teaspoon of parsley.
1 teaspoon.
Yep.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alexa, play cooking music.
Entertaining music.
Entertaining music.
Alexa, loud. Alexa, louder.
Garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon. So it'd be like.
Put your head on my...
Wow, so romantic.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in cooking class.
Yes.
Are 3 of these, huh?
3 of those. 3, 4, 6.
3.
This is Michael Bublé.
Bubbly.
Bubbly. Bubbly.
Bubbly.
Salt and pepper. However much you want. Alright, now you get to get your hands all... Oh yeah, put some Italian seasoning in there. We're gonna add our own Italian seasoning.
This is gonna be some Italian
Yes.
meatloaf. Oh, okay, that's enough.
Snowing. And then now we can mix it all together. Let's see. Do you want to do it or you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay, alright. Alright, that part.
What do you mean you go through that?
Oh, yeah. If you're authentic Italian, you're on this
Like you.
Yeah. Alright, so this is one there.
It smells so good.
It does.
I should pull it now.
I know, I don't think it is big enough.
You're doing a good job.
It's not good.
I'm glad you're doing it. Make it all sides.
Yeah.
Break it up. It smells really good.
It does.
Wow. I'm holding it for you. And also, break it up. Yeah.
Alright, it says shape it to a loaf pan. Bottom down a little bit.
I can hear you.
Mahasin is kind of turning us.
Shape it.
Yeah,
I
I was looking. Yeah, man hands.
Like just a little.
Baked potatoes with this. Yeah. Wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Put in the oven for 355. Put it in for an hour. Potatoes. Oil. Foil, wrap it with some olive oil on the outside, and a little bit of salt.
So now we are gonna make the sauce topping. So we're gonna do 1/4 cup ketchup.
We've got
A tablespoon sugar.
sugar. Let's see. Let's get the red wine.
Yeah, the red wine.
So we got 1 teaspoon of red wine.
1 teaspoon. Okay.
And we have, let's see, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
You believe this?
Yeah. I think there's a cookie in there.
I went to put it in, but it's got something on it.
That's why my mom doesn't measure any ingredients, she just puts it in there.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's the fun of it.
Yeah.
There. Ooh.
Alright. That's good. And
Brush your all
whisk. Whisk skills.
And whisk you.
Yeah.
So you don't need ketchup on top if you have this.
Yeah, this is, I guess this is what you put on top. Oh, then afterwards, then we just like normally just dip, put ketchup on it. But this is the stuff we should be putting on it.
Pour sauce on top of it and spread it to even more. So, like you said, when I put salt in my mouth.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have some pepper ground. You like it with hot?
Huh? No? Okay,
Oh, I missed it. Okay.
Alright, I got it. I don't know. That's alright. So it looks like everything is ready.
A little sneak peek there.
Oops. So this it's 165. And our grams look like they're ready also. It's ready.
It's really good. It smells good too.
Yeah. And see, nothing came out.
Yeah, so we'll let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes and then
Yeah, then everything should
we are
be
going to enjoy.
ready and we'll enjoy. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got 2 pieces here. The end.
Let's do yes.
Yeah. Wow, the inside looks amazing. This is the first time I've ever cooked meatloaf.
So this meatloaf turned out amazing. I want to thank Mahasin's mom for the recipe. Please make sure you like and subscribe and comment on our videos. And we will see you next time. Thanks.